Dear Sirs, in response to your advertisement for supply of cheap radio sets, we would like to introduce ourselves as the main agents in Andhra Pradesh for distribution of specially made cheap and best community radio sets which are useful in rural areas. Full stop. We would like to bring to your kind notice that we have fixed the cost of these sets at a very low price to suit the rural people with more benefits, and the performance of these new sets is very good. Full stop. We assure the customer service after sales for 1 year at every center. Full stop. We may also mention that we are in receipt of several letters from government and other commercial institutions appreciating our efforts to serve the poor with our new type of sets and requesting us to supply more and more sets, as the demand is so much that the existing agents are not able to meet their requirements. Full stop. Next para. We further inform you that we are in a position to extend liberal concessions if there is a quick response on placing bulk orders. Full stop. If you are agreeable to our terms and conditions, we shall give reasonable discount which could be mutually decided. Full stop. Next para. We therefore request you kindly to consider our offer favorably and let us know your decision in the matter at your earliest. Full stop. We will appreciate your patronage in increasing our sales promotion which helps the rural people. Full stop. A waiting early and favorable orders. Full stop. Yours truly. Full stop.